First Lady Melania Trump hosted the annual Take Our Daughters and Sons to Work Day at the White House, welcoming children of executive office staff for a day of patriotic creativity and engagement. The event took place in the Kennedy Garden, where Mrs. Trump guided the children in decorating wooden American flags using red and blue markers, star stickers, and red, white, and blue pom-poms. This hands-on activity was designed to celebrate national pride and encourage artistic expression among the young participants. Reflecting on the occasion, the First Lady remarked, "It is always special to see children's creativity and spirit on display, especially here at the White House, where so many hard-working men and women support the success of our nation every day." The White House. The celebration aligns with Mrs. Trump's revitalized Be Best initiative, which now encompasses efforts to combat cyberbullying and non-consensual online content, following the recent signing of the Take It Down. The event also featured a special press briefing led by White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt, where children posed questions ranging from the president's favorite candies to more light-hearted inquiries about his favorite child, to which Leavitt humorously responded, "That is a very controversial question, and I am not going to answer it." This year's Take Our Daughters and Sons to Work Day at the White House highlighted the administration's commitment to fostering family engagement and supporting youth development through interactive and educational experiences.